Hello, today we will guide you through how to booking flight on trip.com. In this walkthrough, we'll book a sample one-way flight using the trip.com Philippines website, moving smoothly from the home page to confirming your selection. Keep your travel details in mind so you can follow along easily. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the trip.com Philippines homepage. If the site doesn't show the Philippines version or English language, you can usually adjust the region and language near the top or bottom of the page. This helps ensure prices and information display correctly for your location. On the homepage, choose the Flights section. This takes you to the main flight search area where you can begin setting up your trip details. You'll see options for different trip types. Select one-way for this example. One-way is perfect when you're only traveling in a single direction, while round-trip and multi-city are for more complex itineraries. Click into the Leaving From field and type your departure city or airport. As you type, suggestions will appear. Select the correct one so the system knows exactly where you're starting. Then, click into the Going to field and enter your destination in the same way. Picking the precise airport can help you find better schedules and avoid extra transfers. Next, choose your travel date. When the calendar opens, navigate to the month you want and click your preferred day. If your schedule is flexible, scanning nearby dates can reveal better prices or more convenient times. Now click Search. Trip.com will pull up available flights that match your criteria. On the results page, take a moment to review key details like departure and arrival times, total duration, number of stops, and the operating airline. You can also glance at baggage notes and fare conditions so there are no surprises later. When you've found an option that fits your plans, click Select to move forward with that flight. You may see different cabin options. Choose economy for a standard, budget-friendly seat class. If you're comparing, look at what each class includes: seat comfort, baggage allowances, and flexibility before deciding. Click Continue to proceed. This typically confirms your fare choice and may show any add-ons or fare bundles. Review what's presented so you understand what's included and what's optional. Click Continue again to finalize your selection and advance to the next stage of booking. At this point, you would normally enter traveler information and payment details, but our guide stops here. Before you proceed on your own, double-check names exactly as they appear on travel IDs, confirm baggage policies, and review change or refund rules so your booking is smooth from start to finish.